Hi, it's Bill from Gray's Classic Cars. I'm sure you all remember the chicken coop. Well, we found another one. An XA GT Falcon Hardtop, RPO 83 option car. One owner, the elderly owner, phoned us up, said, I have this car located in Gympie. I've owned it since new and I haven't driven it since 1991. So off we go on a road trip. We get up there, lo and behold, we've got a one-of-one Port Wine XA GT Hardtop. We had to chop some trees down to get the car out. We've brought it back to our beautiful location here at Gray's at Pinkenbar. We've cleaned it up and let's have a look at it. So we've got an Australian Classic Car History Services report on this beautiful car. It confirms that it is in fact an XA GT RPO 83 Ford Hardtop. It came out with a 351, a 4-speed manual, one only colour of Sogo Port Wine, Parchment Vinyl, and it was made in August 1973. Let's have a look under the bonnet. It's still in fairly original condition there. It's got a different air cleaner on it, etc. Set of 70s period air horns on it. But all in all, it's fairly original and a good solid old car.